Yo, so that low-level guy made a new video. Mythos has been unleashed.
If you've been on the internet the last couple of weeks, you've probably seen headlines like this. How dangerous is Mythos, Anthropic's new AI model? Dario Amodi's...
Bro, didn't you just make a video last month? This video gave me the impression that this Mythos thing was like the second coming of Christ. Like, you thought this shit was gonna be crazy. Like, go here at 54 seconds, so watch what you say.
The trend we saw in AI for a while, where all AI would do was hallucinate code. It would make up vulnerabilities and DOS projects on HackerOne, like Dan Stenberg's curl. And that was the opinion for a long time on kind of the nature of how AI would contribute to security research. It wouldn't until this model.
Okay, let's pause that.
So how AI would contribute to security research. It wouldn't until this model.
Oh, that's bullshit, dude. In your video right here, you said right here that
kind of set a negative tone for the world of AI-powered research, because at the end of the day, AI was just hallucinating bugs that didn't exist in curl, sending them to the curl bug bounty program, and effectively DOSing people socially. There weren't enough people to triage all the reports, so potentially real bugs were hiding in the fake bugs, and ultimately it made the situation for curl very, very dangerous. An important thing to highlight is...
That's baloney! Dude, you're saying the total opposite shit. That is totally baloney. Are we just being trolled and baited by this shit? Is this like a bait and switch? This was a month ago? Let's get out the good old notepad. On this video, if you go to 2:30, watch what you say.
Only that, as previously highlighted, it is not only good at writing exploits, it is very good at finding vulnerabilities. And we're not just talking about the traditional stack smashers, right?
And then on this video, you're going over this dude's the results from the libcurl thing, where it found like a bunch of hallucinations and like fake CVEs and shit. That's not
curl. Now, curl, if you're not aware, is a tool that's used to do web requests on the results are underwhelming. There are a few reasons for this I'll go into, and I think overall it's interesting to see the output of Mythos, but generally a little disappointing. Set the stage here. We're gonna talk about the whole...
A little disappointing? Bro. Okay, so on this video at 0.42, look what he said.
I don't think cybersecurity is dead necessarily, right? I think there's still an industry that is alive and well, but the release of models like Mythos that are supposedly very good at vulnerability research
supposedly that's totally opposite than what you were saying on this. What the fuck? And check 58 seconds on this video. Watch what he said.
Anthropic that supposedly on this graph go up chart is significantly better on not only finding vulnerabilities,
supposedly twice, dude. The good old notepad never lies. But I'm just curious, because why are you saying that it's actually scary, and then now you're saying it seems it was a myth after all, and you hearted that comment, and it found like nothing in the libcurl shit, and you spent 10 minutes explaining that this is a nothing burger. What the fudge?
Bounty program, and effectively DOSing people socially. There weren't enough people
DOSing people socially, so AI slop
in the fake bugs, and ultimately it made the situation for curl very, very dangerous. An important
bro, you did not say that at all in this video. I mean, so I'm just assuming that you didn't know about it beforehand, but in this video, dude.
The first one is Mythos objectively better at finding vulnerabilities? There is really no publicly available data that confirms that, right? And again, all of these are
oh shit. I knew he was gonna say that.
So in terms of finding vulnerabilities, it's entirely possible that Mythos is not actually that much better at finding vulnerabilities. And on top
bro, I love it, dude. I fucking love it. Keep going, keep going.
Notably, zero memory safety vulnerabilities were found in curl.
Okay, that's the most bullshit thing ever. Just because an AI didn't find any vulnerabilities in that specific piece of software doesn't mean that in 10 or 20 years from now some random Russian dude is gonna find some vulnerability and hack the shit out of it, or some fucking anime looking profile picture